Today, we're making a delicious Instant Pot Bolognese with spaghetti. This vegan option is something everyone can enjoy, whether you're vegan or just looking for a tasty meal. Set your Instant Pot to sauté mode and drizzle in 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Toss in diced onions, minced garlic, chopped carrots and zucchini. Sauté for about 4 to 5 minutes until fragrant. Next, stir in 1 teaspoon each of oregano and basil, along with some chili flakes if you like a bit of heat. Now add 1 cup of rinsed green lentils, a can of diced tomatoes, 1/2 cup tomato paste, and 2 cups vegetable broth. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Close the lid and set the Instant Pot to pressure cook on high for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, cook your gluten-free spaghetti according to the package instructions. After cooking, let the pressure release naturally for 10 minutes. Then, manually release. Toss the cooked spaghetti with the rich, flavorful Bolognese sauce. And there you have it. A delicious, hearty vegan Bolognese in no time. Enjoy. Welcome back. In this chapter, we will explore a variety of vegan drinks, both alcoholic and non-alcoholic, hot and cold options, including vegan beer. Stay tuned for some refreshing and delightful beverage ideas. Let's kick things off with a classic, vegan smoothies. Start with a base of almond or oat milk. Add in a handful of spinach, a frozen banana, and a scoop of your favorite plant-based protein powder. Blend until smooth, and you've got a nutritious and delicious drink to start your day. Next up, let's talk coffee. For a creamy vegan latte, use your favorite plant-based milk, whether it's soy, almond, oat milk, or coconut. Froth the milk and pour it over a shot of espresso for a rich and satisfying morning pick-me-up. Feeling like something a bit more indulgent? Try a vegan hot chocolate. Heat up some oat milk, almond milk, or your preferred milk alternative, and stir in cocoa powder, a touch of maple syrup, and a pinch of sea salt. Top with vegan whipped cream and a sprinkle of cinnamon for a cozy treat. Now, let's move on to the evening with some vegan beer. Many breweries now offer vegan options, so check the label for any animal-derived ingredients. Pair your vegan beer with some plant-based snacks for a perfect night in. For those who prefer cocktails, a classic mojito can easily be made vegan. Muddle fresh mint leaves with lime juice and a bit of sugar. Add in some white rum and top with soda water. Garnish with a lime wedge and a sprig of mint for a refreshing drink. And for a non-alcoholic option, how about a chilled hibiscus tea? Brew some hibiscus tea and let it cool. Serve over ice with a splash of lime juice and a touch of agave syrup for a tart and refreshing beverage. There you have it. Whether it's morning, afternoon, or evening, these vegan drinks are sure to satisfy. Cheers to delicious and cruelty-free refreshments. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Let us know in the comments what you'd like to see next. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. And hit the notification bell so you never miss a video.